What's up guys? Welcome to Monkey Doodle. Today we're going to do a famous character named Mike Wazowski from Monsters Inc. So let's go. Alright, you're going to need for this project something that can help you make a circle, either a can or a roll of tape or even some kind of food container, okay? And a small cup or container would be super helpful for his eye. Alright, now let's get started. I'm going to use first the small cup container. I'm going to put it up high, maybe about here, and I'm going to draw a nice circle around it. Hold it steady and do that circle. Okay? Hold it steady. All right. Not bad, not bad. Okay. Now, we're going to do the body now. All right. And this could be a little tricky to get perfect circles. Now I'm going to use a roll of tape for the body, and the tape I'm going to put over that circle, okay, so that a little bit of the other circle is kind of sticking out of it, okay? All right, let's see. I think that's about good. Now trace. We're going to trace part of it. Start around here, go right through the other circle, and maybe about halfway. Stop. We'll take a look in a second. So we went right through it and we stopped about halfway, so just below the other circle. All right. Now, we're going to keep this going. I'm just fixing his eye a little bit. All right. Remember, this is a monster, so he doesn't have to be super good looking. Okay. Now, we're going to put that back on the line. Try to line it up, and we're going to leave an opening here and go down a little bit. Leave a little bit of an opening on the other side, go down a little bit. All right, so we have this so far. There's a little opening on either side. Put it back. You see how the tape is helpful. And we're going to leave an opening on either side on the bottom. Hopefully you can see that. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 openings. Now we don't need to tape anymore, okay? So now with this part, we're going to make a nice circle in here looking up. Okay? And inside of it, another smaller circle for Mike's eye. We'll get to the coloring later. Mike does have little horns, so let's put a horn on each side for Mike Wazowski's horns. All right, cool. Now we're going to make the arms, okay? So let's make a line that comes out from here. Another one that starts inside the big circle, comes out there. And this arm is going up. Another line here going up. We're going to make a hand. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and back to the wrist. And you could come in with a little line there. You could put a little curve right here to make it more interesting and realistic in a way. All right, so one arm is waving. Let's put this arm, we'll start inside the big circle with a line and go out. Another line and go out. Okay, we'll make this a little bit thicker to cover that. And now we're going to go down. And from the elbow, with another line down, we get a little bit more narrow there. And we're going to make another hand. 1 finger, 2, 3, and thumb shorter. There we go. All right, Mike Wazowski's starting to take shape. Okay, I like it already. Now, we're going to have legs. We need legs. So one leg is going to, again, start inside the circle. Another leg inside the circle. Okay, and this line will go down. And this line will also go down. Okay, now we're going to make his feet wrap around the back of that line. And 1, 2, 3 claws and back to that line. I'm going to do this one going up a little bit. Okay, start inside. Another one. Okay, inside the line we started a little bit. We'll go down. A little skinnier here, down. And wrap around for that foot. 1, 2, and 3 claws. And I think we're about ready for Mike Wazowski's mouth. So we're going to make a big curve starting over here. Swing around. We're going to put 2 curvy lines at the end of it like that. And we're going to open up that mouth with a deeper curve now. Ready? All right. Cool. Okay, so I'm just straightening out this line here. And Mike Wazowski is smiling. All right, I hope you guys had a good time making this mouth. And a good time drawing Mike Wazowski with me. Now we're going to give him some teeth. We're going to make them sort of come down, up, down, not too sharp. Mike is not a scary monster. Up, down, he's a funny monster. All right. Okay, we're going to do a couple action lines. One here, one there, like he's moving around or dancing or something. I don't know what he's doing, honestly. He's Mike Wazowski. And maybe we have some socks flying around. I don't know, like in Monsters, Inc. Maybe some silly socks, contaminated socks. That's funny. I don't know. There's something always floating around here in Monkey Doodle. Some floating socks. All right. Got some socks going on over here. Silly socks. We need to be silly on Monkey Doodle. Okay. Friends, let's get ready to hyperspace color. Woohoo! Great job. Hey guys, I think Babi wants to paint. Come check it out.